Alright, my name is Sierra. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I treated myself to something I've been wanting for a very long time. So I'm going to do a little unboxing because I'm super excited. I've seen these videos all over TikTok on like taking really pretty notes and just doing lots of cool stuff with this. So I got the iPad Pro, the 11-inch. I almost got the 12, but it was a little bit too big for me, because that would make it like a full-blown like laptop size, and I already have a MacBook, so I didn't need that. But I did get the Magic Keyboard just in case I wanted to go even further with it and actually turn it into my day-to-day computer. Maybe I'll get rid of my MacBook later on down the road. We'll see like what all capabilities this has and if I like this for like other things or if I just want it for like the notes and stuff, which is why I bought it. So then I got the the pencil as well. I was under the impression that this came with this already, but it doesn't, so this is a separate charge. So let's see, I don't know how to open this. I think we open it this way. Okay. Fingers crossed that I love this as much as I'm hoping I would. Okay, okay. There's that. Okay, I did forget a case though, so I'm going back to the store tomorrow morning to get a case for it. So they've got like this paper mache stuff on it. And I did get the space gray. I'm not sure what other colors. Sorry, that's a magnetic and it completely like caught me off guard. I'm not sure. I think that's for the pencil. But anyway, I got the space gray. The 11-inch. This is roughly like how big it is in my hands, and I'm not a very big person. And of course, or actually, you know what? That might actually be for the Magic Keyboard to help it stay on there. So just like a mini little computer. The one in the store had GoodNotes on it, which is what I really wanted this for. And I was playing around with it on the 12, of course. Like it was a lot clearer like you would a normal laptop. But even with this size, like being as small as it is, you could like zoom in and it was gonna work perfectly fine for what I wanted it for. So let's see. It's turning on. So you got the 4th gen, 256 gigabytes. They do have lower and they do have more, but for like what I want it for, that was gonna be plenty. I didn't want to go too low just because I do plan on using it for like daily use, like journaling, manifesting, scheduling, calendar, all of that stuff. We are going to Japan and I just want to stay super organized. I will be 30 this year and I just want to stay on top of things. So I went ahead and I got the 256. That should be okay. That should be enough for what I want it for. But if it's not, of course, I can always upgrade the storage later. I just didn't want to start off with too little because, you know, this might turn into my everyday computer. It's cool. I don't know how to use this yet, but we are going to learn. I'm not sure if it just like automatically turns on or how that works, but I will figure that out in the midterm. Right now I'm selecting where I live. It's gonna be the United States for now, which I'll have to go in and I'll have to manually change like is it my Wi-Fi? I'll have to manually change the like time and stuff once we hit Japan, because it's gonna be a whole new day there with it being like 13 hours ahead. So I want to make sure I stay up to date on all of that. How do I? Oh, there we go. It's gonna be a learning process because I've had like the old school iPad, but never like this new gen. I haven't had the iPad since it like very first came out. So like years and years and years ago. So everything on this is like so much more like advanced and up to date. So I have a lot of learning to do. I did continue. Oh, is this? Let me do Face ID real quick. While I'm doing this, I did YouTube some videos before I bought this. Okay, I did continue. Okay, through. I did okay, I did decide that I wanted this. I was watching some comparison videos because like obviously there's different sizes, there's the Air, there's older gens, okay, there's older gens. I just personally decided to go for this one. I know I wanted the Pro no matter what, but I just wanted like to see other people's opinions on it, especially their opinions on this for what I wanted it for. So I like watched this video from this girl. Maybe I can link it down below for you guys. It just goes over all the different iPads and she was super helpful. And she also has an Etsy shop that has these different GoodNote templates, which I'm gonna go buy after I set this up. I don't know where it's gonna go to. Let me check my phone real quick. I completely forgot what I was talking about, but oh, now that I got this, she has an Etsy store that has all these different templates and stuff for GoodNotes. And what I really want to start doing is daily like journaling, daily manifesting, scheduling, just staying on top of absolutely everything. So after I get this all set up and I learn what the heck I'm doing, I'm gonna go to her Etsy shop and buy it. I think she has like huge packs full of like stickers and templates and all this stuff for like $30. So it's not bad at all. So I'm going to definitely do that and I'm excited. Now it wants me to set up Apple Cash, which I probably will not use from this device. So we're just gonna give her bad. Okay, we're just gonna skip that right now. I know it says you can get iCloud with 50 gigabytes for 99 cents a month. I might actually do that. Because it's not bad at all. $1 per month? Perfect. Use Siri just in case. Not now. Continue. I don't want to share my analytics with Apple, so I'm going to say no. They have a dark appearance on here, which is what I have on my phone. But the older I get, the more I'm liking like really light and airy things. So I'm going to stick with the light. Welcome to iPad. Okay, don't allow. So this is just like the generic home screen. It's got like FaceTime, you know, maps, all of that stuff. I did get the one with only Wi-Fi. They have one that you can buy that has cellular, but I didn't need that because that's not really what I'm going to use it for. I have Wi-Fi at home if I do want to use something like here. If I'm out and about, I have hotspot on my phone as well, so then I can just hotspot this if there is something that I need to use like the internet on. But for what I really want this for, like the notes and scheduling and things like that, like I won't have to have that. But yeah, this is the iPad. I'm super glad I got it. This is actually a really good size because this is like pretty big in your hand. I know they have the mini, but it like lags when you write and things like that. So I just really wanted the Pro. I wanted to be up to date on it. I'll have to learn how to use the pen. And let's see here. Ooh, it's like a nifty little thing on here. I'll have to play around with this, customize it, maybe add some widgets, change the background to my vision board, which I have on my laptop, but I don't have it obviously for this size. I just have one for my laptop size, so I'll have to get back on Canva and I'll get back on Canva and resize it. If you guys are interested in any of those templates, so like you want me to make you a vision board or anything, of course, you know, you're welcome to comment below and we can set something up, or DM me on Instagram. It's the same as my username on here, A Biker's Daughter. Ooh. So this is like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that or how this works. I feel like this is supposed to go back further. Maybe not, could be wrong. So let's try this. Oh, okay, so it's magnetic. Okay, cute. I was thinking it would like, oh, there we go. You can, like the top half, that stays there, but the top half you can move back a little further. Super cute, it sticks with a magnetic, and then this split up so I can use it. So now I can get Word, or if I just want to scroll the internet, or if I want to type like in notes and stuff, I can just, perfect. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. I'm not sure how much I'll actually use this Magic Keyboard, but I'm glad I have it for in case I ever want to, or in case I do get to the point where, cool, that's cool. If I do ever get to the point where I want to use it as my full-time computer, I know one of the videos I watched earlier on YouTube today, they said that it could definitely replace like your MacBook, just because of like all of its features and like the software and things like that. I guess it just depends what you really need it for. So yeah, I'm super excited to dive into this. If you guys have any tips, or of course like any more recommendations for like templates for like journaling and things like that, of course, you know, I'd love to hear about them. I'd link them down below. But I am super glad I purchased this and I can't wait to see what I can do with it. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll make another video update like on all my journaling and how I do that and things like that. So I will see you guys next time.
I hope you miss me when you hear this song. I hope the